out, you little lizard. I got a lizard. Ah! He ran away. Here we go. Oh! Ah, it fell on the floor. Unicorn poo, Putty. Unicorn poo. You said poo. Poo, poo, boo, boo. Is that really what unicorn poo looks like? Well, that is a bit of a rude question. But yes, that is what unicorn poo looks like.
Okay, babies, you can play with anything but stay out of my play candy cupboard.
Wee! Are we even allowed to jump on the bed?
Coney. Yeah, that's fine. I don't mind you jumping on the bed. Just make sure that you take your shoes off first.
Wee-hee! Yippee! Bounce, 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 bounce! Bounce, bounce, bounce! Wee-hee! Oh, it's doing.
Oh boy, guys, come on. Who's up for a nice cup of tea in the garden? Oh, me. I'll lead the way. Come on, guys, let's go. Be good, girls. Wait for me.
Come on up, you guys. Let's all boing on the bed. I'm coming. I'm coming too. And wait for us. We're really good boingers too. Doing, 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 doing. Come on up, Chelsea. Boing, boing, boing. Doing, 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 doing. Ah! I'm bored of boinging now. What else can we do? I know. Let's go exploring the room and see what's in here. Okay, come on then. Let's do it. You guys, this must be the wardrobe. What we're not allowed to look at. It's so big. Well, we are definitely not never gonna look inside that wardrobe. Not never. Ever, never. Every, nevery, 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 wevery, nevery. Ever. Except maybe we could just peek in it. Not every, nevery, every, nevery, 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 ever. Yeah, let's just have a little peek. Yeah, just a little peek in the corner. Okay, let's do it. Guys, we've decided we're just going to have a little tiny peek in the cupboard. We're not going to open it right up. We're just going to have a peek. That is so naughty. But okay, I'll peek with you as well. My mum's going to be really mad about this, but I'm in. Okay, yeah. My mum's not actually here today, so I'm in. Yeah. What about you, Bruni? Are you in? Of course I'm in. We're always up to mischief. We're in. I'm in too. So, here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna open up the door a tiny crack so that you guys, not us, I mean, we're not bothered about us. No, we want you to be able to see what's inside there. Come on then. Just a tiny piece. Oh my gosh. A tiny piece more. I think it's full of slime. It is, it's full of slime. We have to see a bit more. Oh my sliminess. You guys, we can't keep this to ourselves. We have to show you the whole lot now. It's not fair that you can't see what's inside there. I've never seen so much slime in one cupboard. Neither me. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Are you thinking about carrots for tea? No. Are you thinking that maybe we should open up one of these slimes? You got it! What you say? I'm in. I'm in. We're both in. Okay then, which one shall we open? Let's have a look. There's so many to choose from. I'm just going to close my eyes and pick one. Yeah, good idea. I'll close my eyes and you pick one. I'm gonna go for this one. Oh, look which one I got, Coney. That one is so good. It's got a lizard in it. I've got to get it out. Okay, let's do it. Right, I've opened up the lid and let's have a... Ugh. Get it all out, Dreamy. I'm trying, Coney. Come on, you little lizard. Oh, here he comes. I got him. I got a lizard. Ah! Don't drop him on me, Dreamy. Oh, sorry. Come on out, you little lizard. Show yourself. Here he is. Here's the wizard. Say hello to the people. Ah! He ran away. He ran away, guys. Uh-oh. You better put that slime back in there before Play Candy notices. Uh-oh. I do very like the slime, though. It's like putty. And it's really bouncy. Come on, bounce in it, Coney. Okay. Doing, 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 doing. Doing, 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 la la la. Come on, you choose one now. Well, okay. But no more wizards, because we don't want any more of those guys running around. No. Okay, well, I'm gonna look up the top of the cupboard. What about one of these? Because there's 2 colours in each pot. And this one is called 2-in-1 Puffy Putty. Whoa! I've got to dig my hand in there and get it out. Ooh! Look, I got the whole lot out. Oh, it feels all bubbly. And what about the orange one? Get the orange one out, Coney. Whoop. Oh, I'm covered in it. Ooh, it's stretchy. Whee! Oh yes, I do like that one. But there's so many, so we just get one more out. Yeah, let's just get one more. I've got to go for this softy floss. This one. Oh, stand up, Coney. You can't see it when you're lying down. Okay. Oh, there's some in the lid. Ah! Well, this stuff is really weird. It's like spongy foam. Ugh. It feels really weird. Put it back in its pot quickly, Dreamy, before it gets in my slime. Okay, I'll try. It's very strange stuff indeed. It's like melty. And it's very, very messy. I'm not even joking, Connie. That one was so messy, it's gone everywhere. I know, it even got in some of my yellow slime. Okay, I'm gonna pick another one now, but I'm not gonna pick that messy one. I'm gonna pick... This green one is called Crystal Putty. And it has a flashing light. Oh! Oh, it's like a disco ball. We could have a disco. Come on, hurry up and open up your putty. Oh, yeah. That is really nice putty, that is. And this is my flashing light. Woo! Woo! Disco! That is beautiful, Putty. Connie, just beautiful. Well, thank you, Dreamy. I will leave it just there for us both to look at. I know we really shouldn't look at another one, but I can't resist it. I'm gonna go for this orange one next. Puffy Putty again. Ooh! Look at that! It looks like butter slime. I gotta get it out of there. Oh, this is my favorite one so far. This is just like butter slime. Look how nice it is, and it's such a beautiful color. That was a most beautiful slime, Dreamy. I think I have to open one more as well. I'll go for this pink bouncing putty. That sounds very interesting. Whoa! This one is really different. Look at this one. Whoa! It's really hard to get out the tub, Dreamy. It feels a bit like clay. It's very light. Try bouncing it, Connie. Okay, I will. Here we go. Ooh! Ah, it fell on the floor. It is super bouncy, guys. Mega stretchy. I just love this one. This one is my favourite. It looks so cool, Coney. It is. Do you think I should open one more? Oh, yes. Okay, well, we haven't opened one of these and they are called Unicorn Poo Putty. Unicorn Poo. You said poo. Poo, boo, boo. Okay, let me get into the unicorn poo. I love this putty. Okay, but serious question now, Dreamy. Yes? Is that really what unicorn poo looks like? Well, that is a bit of a rude question. But yes, that is what unicorn poo looks like. Wow. Okay, I'm just going to bounce in the unicorn poo a couple of times. Doing, doing, doing. Okay, well, I'll just open up one more too because there's only one that we haven't looked at yet and I can see right down the bottom there. And it's some more bouncing foam putty, but it's got a monster in it. You guys! What? You were only supposed to take a peek. You've made such a big mess. Dreamy. Look at this place. Oh my unicorns. We are gonna be in so much trouble. Coney, let's tidy up on the double. Let's do it, quick. Phew. Goodness knew. They'll never know. Come on, let's shut the doors up quick. I can hear someone coming. Phew.
So, we're back, guys. Have you been having fun?
Yes, we have.
What have you guys been up to? I hope you haven't gotten into any mischief.
Oh no, we've just been sitting here quietly.
You guys have been so good. I think you all deserve a treat.
Oh, okay.
Let me get you something out of my play candy cupboard. Ah! Where did that come from?
Uh-oh. Pesky wizard.
Coney, Dreamy.
Hi,